In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the scroll bar on your Wix site using CSS. This only works if you're on a Wix premium plan because you'll need access to custom code, so make sure that's enabled first. Start by opening your Wix dashboard, then go to Settings from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and select Tracking and Analytics. This is where you can add custom code to your site. Once you're there, click plus New Tool, then choose Custom Code. A pop-up will appear where you can paste your CSS. This is the code that hides the scroll bar. You can choose to apply it to all pages or only specific ones if you prefer. After pasting the code, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos. Then click Apply or Save. Now go back to your site and refresh the page. If you don't see the change right away, clear your browser cache and reload. If the scroll bar is still there, revisit the code and make sure it's correct. And that's it. Your site will now have a cleaner, more polished look without the scroll bar showing. Just remember, hiding scroll bars is a visual change only, so use it carefully to make sure your site still feels easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.